Emma looked at her family and smiled, even though her heart felt a little rushed. She wanted everything to be perfect tonight. "I'll be quick," Emma said softly. Jamie nodded, trusting her without question.
Keep everyone safe until then.
"Is my gift cool?" David asked eagerly.
Is my gift cool?
"Very cool, but you have to wait," Emma said with a soft laugh.
I know you really want this, and we think you're ready. You just need to focus and remember everything we talked about.
Okay, worth it. I'll take it. Please.
Everything is going to be okay, I promise you. But we have to listen to each other now, more than ever.
Don't worry, sweetie. We're safe and warm right here. It's lovely just spending time together.